Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot with Rock, Paper, Shears. Let's take another look at another technique you want to have in your toolbox. You know, in hair cutting, we have a toolbox. It's our styling station. It's got a drawer and it's full of tools, hardware. We've got scissors, rock, paper, shears. We've got blending shears. We've got clippers. We've got razors. We've got trimmers. That's hardware. We also have to have software. That's the stuff that's here in our head. That's the stuff that tells us, hey, when I reach into the drawer, what tool comes out? What's the appropriate tool for the appropriate look that I'm trying to create based on what the client is looking for, based on their density and texture, based on their head shape, based on the available length. These are all choices we make every day. One of the favorite tools in our toolbox, of course, is our rock, paper, shears. But one of our favorite software tools in our head is point cutting. And point cutting is all about texture. Traditionally, with scissor over finger, we're making length decisions. We're taking a piece of hair and we're cutting it to a length of our choosing. That's what I call direct cutting. I have a piece of hair, I want it this short. Simple decision. And then we have techniques like point cutting that are not so much length decisions as they are texture decisions. I may have a piece of hair and I may look at it and I say, I like the length, but the ends are too heavy. I want to come in and break it up. I'm going to hang out south, I'm going to come in, and I'm going to point cut or chip into the ends like that. While I can use that to remove length, and repeated point cutting will not only make this section shorter, but will continue to add texture and break it up, but more importantly, I'm taking weight out of the ends. On shorter hair like this, when I come in and point cut, and I confine my point cutting to about the last quarter inch of that section of hair, that's really shallow point cutting, or what we like to call end tapering. It's breaking up the ends, it's going to create softness, it's going to allow the hair to lay beautifully. On longer sections of hair, and I don't have a lot of long hair left on this mannequin, we can demo it on another mannequin at another time, but on longer sections of hair, we might hang out further south, we might twist, notice I bent my fingers, we might come in much deeper to come in with point cutting that adds a much greater degree of texture into the hair. Again, we're not looking to remove overall length, but we're looking to take out a lot of weight and really bust the hair up. One of the common questions I get is, what's the ideal length for point cutting? And I think that's a great question. I believe it's about control. On shorter lengths of hair, where we are looking to end taper, I like shorter scissors. Give me my 5.5, and let me stay close to the ends and control what I'm doing. But when the hair is a lot longer, and when the hair is dry, and when I'm looking to point cut significantly deeper, then I want a longer scissors. And the reason I want a longer scissors, I'm going to go to my 7s, I might go to my 6s, I want to get my hand away. I want to be further away so I can really see what it is I'm doing and what I'm working with. So typically, end tapering, point cutting to end taper, give me my 5.5s and let me play close. On longer hair, where I've got a lot more hair hanging out, let me get my hand further back. And if I'm doing dry hair, if I'm looking to break up the weight in dry hair, as you'll see on longer haircuts, then I definitely will come in with a longer scissors. Match the length of the scissors to the relative length of the hair for better point cutting. I'm Ivan Zoot for Rock, Paper, Shears. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.